We're building off the information that we learned about the coordinate plane yesterday. So yesterday they gave us the points and we analyzed it. Now they took those points away and we're going to actually be plotting those points based on the scenario that's given to us. So let's read about this. Jenny has $20 saved in the bank. She earns $10 an hour. Okay, so I know that something's going to be money. And then it's telling me how much she's earning an hour. So that's time and money. Okay. She earns $10 an hour washing cars and saves all of her money. Graph points in the coordinate plane to show the relationship between the number of hours Jenny works and the total amount of money she saved. Include the following in your graph. The titles for the X and Y axis to show which quantity each axis represents. Points for 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 hours of work. Okay, so let's take a look at our graph here. We have our x-axis, which only goes up to 10. And then we have our y-axis that goes up to 100. So which one do you think is going to be worth the money? The money that only goes up to 10, but it's telling me she has $20 saved in the bank. So it must be the y-axis. So on the y-axis, I'm going to write money that she earned. And on the x-axis, so think about the time that it told me before. It said she earns how much money? $10 an hour. So the x-axis must represent the hours that she works. Okay. So now that I have my labels on there, I can actually put in some information. So for 1 hour, how much money would Jenny earn? So 1 hour, she earns how much money? She earns $10. What about 2 hours? Because remember, I got to go up to 5 hours of work. She earns how much money for 2 hours? Oh, she earns $20. For 3 hours, how much does she earn? $30. Are you seeing a pattern here? Because I'm starting to see a pattern. For every hour, she earns $10. So each time I add an hour, I'm increasing $10. 4 hours, I'm sure you can guess, is $40. And 5 hours, how much is she going to make? $50. Perfect. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to plot those. So let's do our first one here. I'm just going to change my color so you can see. So 1 hour, I'm going to go over 1, right, and go up to 10. All right, there's my spot. Then my second one, I'm going to go over to 2 hours and go up to 20. So 220. If this lets me do it. Okay. 3 hours. I go to 30. Okay. 4 hours, I go to 40. Oops. 5 hours, I go to 50. So you can obviously see 6 hours would be 60, 7 hours would be 70. Okay.